Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Today I'm going to show you how I get this sleek ponytail using no heat. I've already washed and conditioned my hair, so I'm starting this style on clean hair. Products I am using are olive oil hair pudding, Eco Styler, Lala Body, and Even Edge Control. Now, let's go ahead and get into this styling part of this video. I'm just taking my comb and combing my natural hair into a ponytail, y'all. I've already added in my olive oil hair pudding to keep my hair moisturized while in this style. It is very important to make sure your hair is moisturized while in a ponytail. Next, we're going in with the Eco Styler gel, which is the orange brand, and I'm just adding this gel on the outside perimeter of my hair. Once I apply my gel, I take my bristle brush and smooth all the hairs out, making sure all the hairs are laying flat and smooth. Now I'm going in with my Even Edge Control around the hair to get this ponytail sleek. As you can see, my hair is laying down, and I'm gonna go in with my bristle brush one more time before I secure the ponytail. I'm adding my scarf so that my hair stay and lay flat while I work on the braiding down part so that my hair still continue to stay neat. Now I'm going in with my braiding hair. I wrapped the rubber band around the middle of the bundle so I can attach it directly to my natural ponytail. Super easy and secure. You'll see I split my natural ponytail into 3 sections. I'm also dividing the braiding hair into 3, placing it right over my natural hair. This gives me a good blend and keeps everything looking neat once I start braiding. I'm also setting a small piece of braiding hair off to the side. I'll use this at the end of the braid to wrap around the base of the ponytail and hide the bend for a clean, finished look. Now I'm starting to braid the ponytail down. As I braid, I'm feeding in small pieces of extra braiding hair to add length and volume. I just tuck each piece under my index finger and blend it in as I go. This keeps the braid looking seamless and helps avoid any awkward bumps. As you can see, I'm just repeating this step until I braid this braid all the way down. Once I'm done braiding the hair all the way down, I secure the end with a small rubber band. Now I'm just taking a perm rod and the end of the hair, I'm just wrapping it around so that I have a beautiful curl. Then I take that piece I set aside earlier, and what I'm going to do is wrap it around the base of the ponytail and pin it in a place to hide the band. And I chose the Got To Be Glue spray so that everything can hold in its place. Now I'm just taking out a few edges so that we can complete this look. And this style came out so cute, so simple, so easy. And this is the finished look in 3, 2, 1.